Hello everyone, Devjyoti here from webcity.com, and today in this video tutorial I am going to teach you how you can easily create this kind of awesome e-commerce website by using one of the most popular multi-purpose WordPress theme named as Phlox Pro Elementor MultiPurpose WordPress theme. If you see this in Inverter Market in 2022 best-selling WordPress theme, this Phlox themes always come in top 10 position. And in this tutorial actually I am going to teach you how you can create an e-commerce website from scratch by using this Phlox theme. And if you watch this video tutorial from starting to end, then I can guarantee that after completing this tutorial you can create any kind of website by using this Phlox theme, because here I am going to teach you how to create custom pages, how to create custom header, custom footer, and also I will discuss all the important customization options available in this Phlox theme. Now there are several reasons behind this theme's popularity. Now let me discuss them one by one. The most important reason behind this theme's popularity is with this theme actually you will get almost 200 plus pre-built demo layout, and they have demo for all. If you want a business website or a e-commerce website or a service website or a creative agency website or a blog magazine website, whatever it will be, they have the demo template for each and every website. And these demos are really professional, and by just a single click actually you can import the entire demo in your website. Not only that, but also this theme actually give you 2 new demos almost every week, and by using this Phlox theme actually already more than 85,000 websites are running worldwide. This Phlox theme use Elementor as default page builder, even though it also support WP page builder, as it support Elementor, so the person who doesn't have any kind of coding knowledge, they also can create awesome website by using this Phlox theme, because Elementor is a drag and drop page builder. So by just dragging and dropping these elements actually anyone can create awesome websites. It has almost 160 plus Elementor element to create awesome websites. Also with this theme actually you will get several kind of pre-built template, and this template actually you can import in your website by just a single click. This theme is one of the most popular easily editable theme. With this Phlox theme actually you will get lot of customization option in the customization window. As you can see here, there are almost 250 plus customization option available in this Phlox theme, and by using this customization option you can create almost any kind of website. This theme comes with almost 12 different kind of header template, as you can see here, and those header templates are really looking professional. Not only that, but also for the footer also you will get almost 12 plus pre-built demo template, and this template actually you can import by just a single click. Not only that, but also this theme comes with inbuilt header and footer builder. So by using them actually you can create any kind of header and footer as you want. In this tutorial I will teach you how to create custom header and footer, so don't worry about that. These themes also support the woocommerce. So by using this Phlox theme actually you can create any kind of e-commerce website. Not only that, but also by using this Phlox theme actually you can easily create any kind of blogging website or a newspaper website also, because with this theme actually you will get lot of customization option for the blogs or newses. These themes also support Dokan multi-vendor plugin, so you can easily create any kind of multi-vendor website by using this Phlox theme. This theme also support Master Slider Pro plugin. I mean, when you buying this theme you will get automatically the licensed version of the Master Slider Pro plugin, and in this Master Slider Pro plugin actually you will get almost 90 different kind of pre-built slider template in free of cost. And this theme actually made for the high performance. Whatever the website you will make by using this Phlox theme, the website will load in very high speed, and that really help you to improve your SEO score. Also this themes comes with adaptive image feature, means suppose for a desktop actually the image size is 350 KB. When the image is loaded in the tablet devices, automatically the image size will be reduced. I mean, like for the tablet it will be like 168 KB, and when the same image is loading in the mobile devices actually at that time the size will be only 90 KB. That really help you to improve your page loading speed. And also this themes comes with image preloading features, means whenever you are scrolling the image will load at that time only. That really help you the web browsing experience very smooth, and the page will load in very high speed. Don't worry, I'll discuss all this feature in step-by-step manner. So I can guarantee that after ending this tutorial actually you can create any kind of website by using this Phlox theme. These themes already get almost 1700 5-star rating in just last 1 year. It is one of the most popular theme at the present time. Now without wasting time, let me introduce you the demo website what I am going to create in this video tutorial. So that is the website actually what I am going to create in this video tutorial. So you will get a perfect knowledge that after ending the video tutorial which kind of website we are going to develop. So as you can see at the top, here you can see the top bar that contain the welcome text, and after that at the right hand side here you can see the contact number and email ID. After that here you can see my logo, main menu bar, that is the my account option, and after that here you can see the search option, and after that here you can see the cart option. And when you hover on the cart option, here you can see it's showing that cart is empty because till now I doesn't add any product in cart. Okay, and after that here you can see a beautiful header. Here I actually display lot of offers and it's really looking awesome actually. Even here also you can see some offers. After that here I display all the best selling products. Next here you can see some advertisement session. Next here I displaying all the new arrival products. Again here I display some offers. After that here you can see the all the latest post, and here actually I discuss some important feature of the website like free delivery, 24/7 online support, etc etc. And after that here you can see the beautiful footer. My footer contain my logo, address, some useful links, working hours and newsletter sign up form. Okay, and in the downside actually here you can see the copyright line. Here you can see some social media, and here you can see the link for the social media handles, and that is the back to top icon. Now let me come back to the about us page. So as you can see the page loading speed is really impressive actually. In the about us page actually I make it very simple. Here I just wrote who we are, and here some company members image. Now let me come back to the shop page because that is an e-commerce website. The shop page is most important. So that is my shop page and it's really looking professional. So at the left hand side here you can see the all the filters like filter by category, filter by brand, filter by color, something like that. And after that here you can see all the products. I'll open the product later. Before that let me come back to the blog page. So that is my main blog page. So at the top here you can see the latest blog. After that in the downside here you can see the blog post timeline like that. It's really looking very professional. So now let me open the contact us page. So that is my contact us page. So at the right hand side here you can see the beautiful Google map, and at the left hand side here you can see the contact us form, and in the downside here you can see some icon boxes. In the first icon box here you can see the office address. After that here you can see my email ID, and here you can see the contact number. So now again let me come back to the shop page. Now let me open the website in a incognito window. So for create an order, first of all actually I have to log in. So for that here you can see the account option. Let me click on that. So that is the login window. If you don't have any account you have to register first of all. So here you can see the register option. So let me enter the email ID and password, and after that I have to click in the register option. So as you can see I successfully register, and that is the dashboard. So now again let me come back to the shop option or shop page. So now let me open any product. Suppose I am opening this product. So my single product page look like that. So at the top here you can see the product name, product rate, after the product short description, that is the quantity option, add to cart option, add to wishlist option, share option, product SKU, product category, and here you can see the sale batch, that is the product image, product gallery image. After that here you can see the product description, product additional information, product review, etc. And in the downside here you can see the related products. Now let me click in the add to cart option for adding the product in the cart. So as you can see one product already successfully added in the cart. I get a pop-up, and here also if you hover on this cart icon, here you also can see this product successfully added in the cart, and here you can see the view cart option and process to checkout option. Let me click in the view cart option for redirect to cart page. So that is the cart page. So here you can see the product name, product price, product quantity, subtotal, etc. Let me click in the process to checkout option. So in the checkout page here you can see it asking the billing details. So here actually I have to enter my first name, after that last name, company name. After that it automatically detect my region, that is India. After that it asking the address, it asking my city, that is Hyderabad. Now it asking the state, it automatically select the state. If state is not selected then you have to select that manually. After that it asking the pin code. Here it asking the phone number. So let me enter the phone number. After that it asking the email ID. So once you enter all the information, So from here actually you have to choose the payment method. Suppose I am choosing cash on delivery, and after that I have to click in the place order option. So once you click on the place order, my order should be placed, and when you successfully place the order, you will come to this page, that is the thank you page. So here you can see all the order details. Not only here, but also if you click in this account option, from here also if you click in this order window or order option, so from here also you can see the order details. If you click in this view option, you can see all the details. So as you can see in present, my order status showing processing. So now let me teach you how as a admin you can complete the order. So that is my admin window. So from there actually I have to hover on the WooCommerce, and after that I have to click in the order option. So in this order option actually here you can see already, you can see one means you already get a order. For seeing the order details you have to click on that. Now suppose as a admin you already complete the order. So what you have to do, you have to change the status. So as you can see there are so many predefined status. So I already complete the order. So as a admin you have to select complete, and after that you have to click in the update option. So once as a admin you update the order, now again let me come back to the customer window. So that is the customer window actually. So now if I refresh the page, here you can see my order status should get changed. Now it's showing processing, but after refreshing the page, here you can see it's showing complete, because as a admin you complete the order. So hope you understand how a customer can create a order and how as a admin you can complete the order. So now let me start to build the website. Now for building the website actually here I am not going to use any real domain name or hosting account. I am going to use XAMPP. XAMPP is a local server. For downloading and installing the XAMPP, just Google XAMPP. After that you have to click in this first link, I mean apachefriends.org. From there you have to click in this download option. Now if you are a Windows user, then you have to download this one. If you are a Linux user, then you have to download this one. And if you are a Mac user, then you have to download this one. So I am a Windows user, so I am clicking the download option here. So as you can see my download already started. Let me cancel it because I already download and install the XAMPP. So once you successfully download and install the XAMPP, it will look like that. So from there actually you have to click in the start option for the Apache, and after that you have to click in the start option for the MySQL. Next what you have to do, you have to open a new tab and you have to type localhost, and here actually you have to click in this phpMyAdmin option. Now you have to create the database. For creating the database actually you have to click in this new option, and after that here actually you have to enter the database name. Suppose I am giving the database name as Phlox 10, okay, and that is case sensitive, okay. Next you have to click in the create option. So as you can see my database successfully created. So next step what you have to do, you have to open another new tab, and after that you have to type wordpress.org. From here actually I have to download the WordPress file. After that you have to click in this get WordPress option, and now here you can see the WordPress version, I mean download WordPress 6.1. So let me click on that. So once you click on that, so as you can see my WordPress file already start to download. Wait for that. So that is the WordPress file. So next what you have to do, you have to open your file explorer, and I install the XAMPP in my app drive. So I am opening the app drive. So here you can see the XAMPP folder, and here you can see the htdocs folder. You have to just drag and drop this WordPress folder, okay. It will take some time to copy everything, so please wait for it. So once everything get copied, just close this one. Now you have to rename this WordPress folder. Suppose I am giving the name as Phlox 10, okay. You can give any name, it's up to you. This directory name is very important, okay. Next what I have to do, you have to open another new tab, and here actually you have to type Phlox theme. Now from here actually from this theme first you have to buy this Phlox theme file. It's just $39. Now if you don't want to buy the theme, for my subscriber actually I give the theme file in the video description. From there you can easily download this theme file in free of cost. So for that what you have to do, you have to just pause the video and go to the video description. There you will find a mega link. Just click on that link and download everything in a single folder. Once you download everything in a single folder, it should look like that. One folder will be for the images. So all the images what I'm going to use in this video tutorial, everything is there, and that is the Phlox Pro means theme file, and that is all the plugin what I'm going to use in this video tutorial, okay. So next what I have to do, just open this folder and you have to open this Phlox 10 folder. Now here you can see the WP content, just open that. Now you have to open the themes file, and here actually you have to right click and copy, and here right click and click in the paste option, okay. In the similar time again come back to this WP content, open the plugins. By default something will be there, just delete them. Now just open this plugin folder, select everything by pressing Ctrl and A, right click, click in the copy, right click and click in the paste option. It will take some time to copy everything, so please wait for that. Don't do anything in between, just wait and let everything get copied. So once everything get copied, just close this one. So next what you have to do, just open another new tab, and after that you have to type localhost. After that file directory name means Phlox 10. Okay, after that hit the enter key. This window will open. So from that actually you have to choose your preferred language, and after that you have to click in the continue option. After that you have to click in the let's go. It asking the database name, so my database name also is Phlox 10. After that username, that will be root. Password not required. After that let me click in the submit option, click in the run the installation. After that I have to enter the site title. I am giving the site title as Phlox 10 tutorial. After the username I am giving as admin. Password also I am entering as admin. Next click in the confirm password, and here you have to enter your email ID. After that you have to click in the install WordPress option, click in the login option, and after that again you have to enter the username and password, and after that you have to click in the login option. Here the username and password I give admin and admin, but you have to give a strong user ID and password for your original project. It's a dummy project, so I keep admin and admin only. So that is the dashboard actually. So from there actually you have to hover on the API items and click on the theme option. Now here you can see this Phlox Pro theme. Click in the activate option. Next click in this activating 1/3 Phlox Pro plugin. I already copy all the plugins, so it's coming activating, else it will come install. Okay, it will take some time. So now activating 2/3 Elementor. I mean all the required plugin will be get installed like that one by one. So please wait for that. Now you can see the Phlox Pro tool plugin is activating now. So all the installation successfully completed. After everything get installed, this window will open. Okay, so from there if you click in this plugin option, so here you can see all the plugin whatever you required, it listed here. Now from here what is required you have to select one by one. Suppose I need this Elementor pack. After that I need the woocommerce also. I need this wish list. Master slider if you want you have to activate, but in this tutorial actually I don't need any slider, so I am not activating anything. This also not required. Contact form 7 not required, because later I will activate WP form plugin that I like most. If you want always you can activate that, it's up to you. This one required. Image optimizer, yes I required that. This one also required. Custom sidebar, yes required. This one also very important one. This auto optimizer, this one also required. This is related post for WordPress. Various and switch are also required. And if you planning to make this website as a multi-vendor website, then this Dokan plugin is also required. And for SEO purpose I highly recommend this WordPress Yoast SEO plugin, but it's a dummy website, so I'm not doing anything. Auto theme update, that also required. I think that's enough. So once you select everything, what you have to do, you have to click in the install plugin. So it will take some time, so please wait for that. Once done you have to scroll up, and after that you have to click in this demo importer. Now from here actually whatever the website template you like or whatever the demo you like, you have to just click in this import option. By just a single click actually you can import the entire demo in your website, but in this tutorial I am not going to do that. In this tutorial I am going to teach you everything from scratch. I mean how to create pages, how to create custom header, footer, all the customization option, everything I'll discuss in present. Till now if you liking this video, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification from my YouTube channel. So once done actually you have to upload all the images. So for that what you have to do, you have to click in this media option. Now you have to open the folder which link I already give you in the video description, I mean this one. From there you have to open the images folder, and after that you have to select all the images by pressing Ctrl and A. Now just drag and drop them here like that. It will take some time to upload all the images, so please wait for that. So as you can see here all the images already uploaded. Now actually I have to set up the WooCommerce. So for that I have to hover on the WooCommerce, and after that I have to click in the settings option. Now here you can see the store address, so let me enter the store address. After that city, so I'm from Hyderabad. Next country/state, so that will be India, Telangana. Next it asking the zip code, After the selling location, so sell to a specific country I am choosing because I want to sell my product only in India, and here I am choosing India. Even here also in the shipping location I am choosing ships to a specific country only. Even here also I am choosing India. Next, enable taxes, yes. Scroll down, the currency that will be Indian rupees, I mean this one. Click in the save changes. Next I have to click in this product tab. So here actually, as you can see, the page is not created. Actually, when you installing and downloading the WooCommerce plugin, sometime pages get created automatically, sometime not. So for that actually there is a fix. If the page is automatically not created, if you come to the pages, here you can see there are no WooCommerce pages at present time. So for that, just hover on the WooCommerce, and after that you have to click in the status, and here you can see this tools option. Click on the tools tab. So here actually you can find this one, create default WooCommerce pages. Just click in this create pages, click in the OK in the pop-up. Now again let me click in this pages option to check all the pages created or not. So as you can see, all the WooCommerce default page already get created. Okay, so again now hover on the WooCommerce and again click in the settings option. Now let me click in this product tab. So now you can see the shop page already selected. Okay, and in the measurement unit I am choosing gram. Scroll down, click in the save changes again. After that I already enabled the tax option, so I have to click in the tax. In India actually tax is also known as GST. So here actually I have to add a additional tax class name as GST. Scroll down and click in the save changes again. Now in the top here you can see one extra option already added, GST rate. Click on that. Here I have to click in the insert row option, the country code that will be in capital IN. After that I have to check both of the check boxes, and here actually I have to enter the tax percentage. Suppose the tax percentage is 10. Okay, and after that you have to click in the save changes. Once done, you have to click in this shipping tab. So in this shipping tab actually first of all I have to create shipping zone. Let me click in the add shipping zone here. Now here actually I have to enter the shipping zone name. I am giving the shipping zone name as India. After that click in the add shipping method. So I am choosing flat rate, and after that let me click in the add shipping method. Now let me click in the flat rate, and here actually I have to enter the shipping charges. Suppose for each and every product you want 50 rupees should be shipping charges. So here you have to enter the shipping charges. After that in asterisk sign, next in the bracket in small letter you have to write QTY, and after that you have to close the bracket. Okay, so next you have to click in the save changes. So in this way you can set up the shipping charges, but there is a problem. Suppose you are selling a small lightweight product as well as big heavyweight product. For the big product the shipping charges will be more compared to a small product because their weight is more. Okay, so for that actually what you have to do, you have to create separate shipping classes. So here you can see the shipping class option, click on that. Now here actually you have to first of all click in this add shipping class, and the shipping class name, suppose I am giving heavy. In the description you can write something like that, weight more than 50 kg, like that, and after that you have to click in the save shipping classes. So once you create the shipping class, again you have to come back to the shipping zone, and here again you have to click in the India, and after that again I have to click in the flat rate. Now here actually you have to remove the rate from here. Now the product which is belong to the heavy shipping class, suppose for that product I want the shipping charges will be 550 rupees for each and every product, and the product which is not belong to the heavy shipping class, I mean for the normal product, the shipping charges will be 50 rupees for each and every product. Okay, after that you have to click in the save changes. Hope you understand the concept. Now I have to click in this payment tab. So by default actually WooCommerce provide this 3 payment method. Suppose from here I am enabling the cash on delivery. Now for adding the extra payment gateway actually you have to download the plugin. Let me click in the save changes, and in this tutorial let me teach you how to add the Stripe payment gateway. So for that actually I have to hover on the plugin and click in the add new option. Now here I have to search for the Stripe. There are so many plugins available for the Stripe, but I want this one, this Stripe payment plugin for WooCommerce by WebTrophy. Click in the install now option. After that I have to click in the activate option. At the same time let me open a new tab and let me search for the stripe.com. Let me click in the sign in option because I already have an account. Now after entering user ID and password, it will ask the verification code. Let me enter the verification code. Once you successfully enter the verification code, it will asking that you are not a robot. Yes, let me confirm it, and I have to choose the bicycle image, clicking the next. So now it asking the traffic light, so let me choose the traffic light images and click in the verify. Okay, I successfully verified. Now it will redirect me in the Stripe dashboard. So now from here actually you have to click in the developers option. After that you have to click in the API key. So here you can see the publishable key and secret key. Now come back here and click in this WebTop Stripe option. Now here I have to make it live mode, and it asking the publishable key and secret key. So let me copy them one by one. Now secret key also. So here I have to paste the secret key. Scroll down, click in the save changes. Now again I have to come back to the WooCommerce settings. So for that again I have to hover on the WooCommerce, and after that again I have to click in the settings option. Now again I have to come back to the payments tab. So before there was only 3 options, but after installing the plugin you can see there are so many options is available now. So from there you have to enable this credit/debit card/Stripe, and after that you have to click in the manage option. So from there actually you have to enable this one, and after that in the title I want credit/debit card, even in the description also, even in this pay button also I want credit/debit card. Scroll down, enable this one and click in the save changes. After that come back to the account and privacy. So in the account and privacy actually I have to enable this one, this one, this one, and uncheck this one. Scroll down and click in the save changes. Remaining everything keep as it is. So the WooCommerce setup is complete. Now I have to create the product category. For creating the product category I have to hover on the products, and after that I have to click in the categories option. Now for creating the product category, here you have to mention the product category name, and after that you have to click in the add new category option. So let me add all the category one by one, and after that I will come back. So as you can see I already create so many categories. Now actually I have to create the attributes and add the value to the attribute. So for creating the attributes you have to click in the attributes option. Next you have to enter the attribute name here, and after that you have to click in the add attribute option. So now let me click in the brand, because I have to add some brand value. Now here actually I have to write the brand name, and after that I have to click in the add new brand. So now for creating another new attribute, again you have to click in the attribute option. Suppose this time I am adding the color attribute. In the type I am choosing color, and let me click in the add attribute option. For adding the value in the color attribute you have to click in the color. Suppose I am adding black color, and here I am choosing this black color. Click in the add new color. After that pink. Suppose from here I am choosing the pink color. Yeah, I think that's look good. Click in the add new color. After blue, in a similar manner whatever the color you want to add you can add one by one. Hope you understand the process. Let me add another attribute. Again click in the attribute option. Now I am going to add the size attribute. So for that here actually I have to mention the name like size. Scroll down, click in the add attribute option. Now let me click in the size. Now let me add the name like extra small. Click in the add new size. After that large. Click in the add new size, medium, like that. So once you add all the category and attributes, I have to create the products. For creating the products, I have to click in the add new option here. Now for adding the product, first of all here actually I have to mention the product name. After that here I have to mention the product long description. Now here you can see the product image. Click on the set product image, click in the media library, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image. Click in the set product image. Now I have to set the product gallery image. Click in this add product gallery images, and from the media library suppose I am taking this image and this image. You can choose any image, it's up to you. Okay, after that you have to click in the add to gallery. Now from here actually I have to choose the product category. If you want you can select single category, else if you want you can select multiple categories also, like that. Okay, now in the product tag if you want to add some product tag, always you can write like I am writing graphic, and after that I have to click in the add option. And after that in the product data actually if you want to create a simple product then you have to select simple, and if you want to create a variable product then you have to choose variable product. Let me first create a simple product, and after that I will teach you how to create the variable product. So here actually you have to write the product cost, suppose 30,000, and if any sale is going on then here actually you have to write the discounted rate, suppose 26,000. If you want to schedule the sale, always you can do it. Suppose this sale will go on from 10th of the November till 24th of the November. Okay, like that. this product is taxable or not. Yes, the product is taxable, so I'm choosing taxable, and the tax class I'm choosing GST. Now directly come back to the inventory option. So here actually I have to write SKU. SKU stand for the stock keeping unit, and each and every product should have an unique SKU. After that, if you want to manage the stock, always you can check that, and after that how many product you have in stock you have to mention. Suppose I have total 80 product in stock, so here I have to write 80. Next, directly come back to the shipping option. So here actually you have to mention the product weight. Suppose 550 gram, and here actually you have to mention the product dimension. Suppose length is 50 centimeter, width is 10 centimeter, and height is 5 centimeter, like that, whatever. After that, if the product is belong to the heavy shipping class, then you have to choose heavy, and if it's a normal product, then you have to choose no shipping class. Okay, remaining I'm keeping everything as it is. If you want to add any attribute, always you can do that. Suppose this graphic card have total 2 colors, so choose the color and click in the add option, and from here I'm choosing black and red color. Okay, after that you have to click in the save attribute option. After that, here you can see the product short description. Click on that. So whatever you want to write in the product short description, you have to mention that here. It's done. Just scroll up, and after that you have to click in the publish option. So in this way you can create a simple product. Now let me teach you how to create a variable product. So once it published, in the top here you can see add new option. Even here also you can see the add new option. Anywhere you can click. Suppose I'm clicking in this add new option. After that, here actually I have to mention the product name. Next, here I have to mention the product description. After that, I have to choose the product category. Next, I have to choose the product type. Suppose that is a variable product, so I'm choosing variable, and the tax class I'm choosing GST. Come back to the inventory option. No need to do anything here because it's a variable product. Directly come back to the attribute option. So from here, suppose I'm choosing color. Click in the add color option. Now from here, suppose I'm choosing golden and black color. I have to check both of the check boxes. After that, I have to click in the save attribute option. Now let me add one more attribute like size. After that, I have to click in the add option. Check both of the check boxes. Suppose from here I am taking large and medium. Again, I have to click in the save attribute option. Next, I have to click in this variation option, and from this drop down I am choosing create variation from all attribute. After that, I have to click in this go, and here in this pop-up I have to click OK. After that, another pop-up will appear that totally 4 variation already added. As you can see here, click in the OK. So as you can see here, now there are total 4 variation, and it asking to choose the default value also. Suppose I'm choosing default value black color and large size. Now click in this black color and large size, click in this, and from the media library, suppose I'm taking this image, click in the set variation image, and the date, suppose I'm writing 5000. If you want to mention the SKU, then here I have to mention that, and if any sale rate is going on, then you have to enter the sale rate. After that, the product in stock or out of stock, you have to choose that. After the product weight, product length, width, dimension, everything I have to mention. And after that, the product in stock or out of stock, you have to mention that. After that, product weight, product dimension, everything you have to mention. Okay, even if you want to add the product description, always you can mention here. It's a dummy website, so I'm leaving everything. Now black color and medium size. Let me take this image, click in the set variation image. Suppose the rate is around 4500. Again, you have to enter the SKU. After that, golden color large size. Suppose I'm taking this image, click in the set variation image, and you have to mention the SKU. After that, again I have to enter all the information. Suppose the rate is 6500, and after that, golden color and medium size, click in this, and from the media library, suppose I'm taking this image, click in the set variation image, and the rate, suppose I'm entering around 5000. Again, you have to enter the SKU. So it's done. Let me click in the save changes. Now whatever the value you choose as default, the similar image actually you have to upload in the product image. So here in the default value I choose black color and large size, and for this black color and large size I choose this image. So let me click in this set product image, and from the media library actually you have to choose the exact image, I mean this one. Click in this set product image, and let me add the gallery image also. Suppose from the media library I'm choosing this image as product gallery image, even this image also, and after that let me click in the add to gallery. If you want to add any tag, always you can add. So in this way actually you can create a variable product. Scroll up, and after that you have to click in the publish option. If you want to check the preview, always you can do that. For that you have to click in the preview changes. So as you can see, it's coming like that and variable is working perfectly. Now let me create some more product with different category, and after that I will come back. So now if you want to convert a normal product to a feature product, then you have to click in the start option actually. Suppose I want to convert this MacBook Pro as a feature product, then I have to click in the start option. As you can see, the start is empty now, but you can observe that after refreshing the page, the star get filled, means now it's a feature product. Let me convert some more product to a feature product. After that I have to set up this WooCommerce wishlist plugin. So here you can see the run the setup wizard. Click on that, click in the let's go, and from here actually you have to choose the wishlist page. Click in the continue, scroll down, click in the continue, again here also continue. If you want to enable the sharing option, then you have to check, else you can disable that also, it's up to you. Okay, hope you understand. And after that again you have to click in the continue option, again click in the continue. Okay, it's done. Now let me click in the return to WordPress dashboard. So now actually I have to create the pages. For creating the pages I have to hover on the pages, and after that I have to click in the add new option. Now here in the page title I am writing home, and here you can see the template. I am making it page builder. Let me click in the publish option, and once it published I have to click in this edit with Elementor option. My home page should be look like that. So as you can see in the first row there are total 3 columns. So let me come back here, click in the plus option, and here I am taking single row and 3 columns. Now I have to click in this edit session option, come back to the advanced option. Here I have to unlock the padding, and in the padding right I am taking 15, even in the padding left also I am taking 15. Now let me click in the first column. Here you can see the edit column option. I have to click on that, and after that I have to come back to the advanced option. In this advanced option actually I have to unlock the margin and padding. Margin right I am taking around 20 pixel. After that padding top I am taking 50 pixel, remaining I am keeping 0. Now I have to come back to the style option. As you can see in the black color background in the first column, so here in the style option actually if I click in this classic, here I can see the color option, click on that and make it black color. Okay, now just click in this plus option here, and here actually I have to search for the modern heading. So here you can see the modern heading, just drag and drop it here like that. My title will be this one. Click in the secondary heading, and in the highlight text I have to mention this one. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Now let me come back to the style option. Let me click in the typography. Heading I am taking 20 pixel. Letter spacing make it -0.5, and here the color I am taking white color. Now let me click in this secondary heading. Here click in the typography and make it around 40 pixel. Line height I am taking around 1.2 rem. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Even here also I have to change the color to white color. So let me click in this and make it white color. Now let me click in this advanced option. I have to unlock the margin. Margin right I am taking around 20 pixel, and margin left I am taking around 80 pixel. So after that I need a button, so I have to click in this 9 dot, and let me search for the modern button. So here you can see the modern button. Just drag and drop it downside. Button text that will be shop by category. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Now directly come back to the style option. Here in the background color actually I need some gradient color. So let me click in this gradient option. The first color I am taking this color. You can take any color, it's up to you. And in the secondary color I am taking this blue color. Location let me make it 90. Our angle I am making it 110. After that I have to unlock the padding also. Padding top I am taking 20. Padding right I am taking around 47. Padding bottom also I am taking 20. And padding left I am taking around 47 pixel. Now the border radius. From all sides let me take around 50 pixel. Next I have to come back to the advanced option. Here also I have to unlock the margin. Margin right I am taking around 30 pixel, and margin left I am taking around 80 pixel. After that actually I need image. So again I have to click in this 9 dot and let me search for the advanced image. So here you can see the advanced image. Just drag and drop it downside like that. Click on that, and from the media library I am taking this image. Click in the insert media. Now directly make it full and come back to the advanced option. Here I have to unlock the margin and padding both. Bottom margin I am taking around 40 pixel. Next padding top I am taking around 63 pixel. Remaining I am keeping everything as it is. Another thing I forgot, I have to click in this, this edit column option, come back to the style, click in the border. Here you can see the border radius. From all sides, let me take around 30 pixel. Yeah, it's really looking nice now. I think I apply some wrong margin here. It should not be in bottom. It should be in the left, okay? Yeah, now it's cool. Now, just right click here, and here you can see the duplicate option, click on that. And from here, let me delete this column. Click this and click in the delete option. Okay, now it's looking like that. So here actually the image option I need first. So just drag and drop the image up. Now I have to change the image also. Click in this, and from the media library, I am taking this headphone image. Click in the insert media. After that I have to come back to the advanced option. Padding from all sides, let me make it 0. Left padding also not required here. Remove it. And left margin also not required, so make it 0. And in top margin, let me take around minus 150 pixel. Now let me again click in this edit column option, come back to the style option. Here in the background actually I need some gradient color. As you can see, there is some gradient color. So here actually you have to click in this gradient. The first color I am taking this one, and the second color I am taking this one. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Now I have to do one thing here. Again I have to right click and I have to click in the duplicate option. Now what I have to do, this second column, this one, okay, this one actually I have to drag and drop it in third position. Next what I have to do, I have to right click here, and here you can see the delete option, just delete it. So next just click in this, this modern heading. So my first title will be MacBook Pro, and my secondary heading, this one will be this one, okay. Next here actually I have to change the button color also. So I have to click in this button. I have to come back to the style option. The first color I am taking this one, and after that the second color I am taking this one, okay. So it's looking like that. Now I have to change this image also. Click in this for changing the image, and here actually I need the MacBook image. I am talking about this image. Click in the insert media. Okay, it's looking quite good. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Now let me click in this edit option, come back to the advanced option. The right margin I am making it 0, and left I am taking 20. Let me click in this one also. Here also come back to the advanced option. Here left and right both side I am taking 20 pixel. Now let me check the responsive preview. So for that here I have to click in this responsive option. Now let me click in the tablet option. So as you can see in the tablet it's coming like that. It's looking very ugly. So you can do one thing for fixing that. Just click in the first column. Here I have to make it 100. Come back to the advanced option, and I have to unlock the margin. Similarly for the second one also, click in this, come back to the layout option, and I have to make it 100. After that come back to the advanced option, and here also I have to unlock the margin, and I have to make 0 from all side. And after that the top margin I am taking 20, and bottom margin also I am taking 20, okay. Now come back to the third one, this one. Here also come back to the layout, and I have to make it 100. And after that what I have to do, I have to come back to the advanced option, unlock it. Okay, it's looking like that. Now here let me click in this button, come back to the style option. First of all I have to change the color. Click in this, and I have to make it black color. Okay, now it's looking quite good. After that come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. Bottom padding I am taking around 20 pixel. Yeah, I think it's looking quite good. And here click in this, come back to the advanced option, unlock it. Okay, that's look quite good. So next let me check the mobile preview. So as you can see in the mobile preview actually it's coming like that. So you can fix that easily. I have to click in this option first of all, come back to the advanced option. First of all I have to unlock the margin and padding. Now I have to click in this one, come back to the style option. Before that come back to the advanced option, unlock it. Next I have to click in this, come back to the style option, click in this, and size suppose I am taking 14 pixel. And for this secondary heading, click in the typography, let me take around 25. After that I need some padding also. So for that what I have to do, I have to click in this, and here with this top padding actually I have to add some more padding in right and left side, around 10 pixel, even here also 10 pixel. Now click in this button, come back to the advanced option, and first of all unlock the margin. Okay, now it's looking quite cool. Similarly for this one also we have to do the same thing. So you can do one thing, just right click, click in the copy, and here come back here, right click, click in the paste style. After that, click in this, come back to the advanced option, left padding I am taking around 10 and right padding also I am taking around 10. Now let me click in this one, this modern button. In this modern button also I have to unlock the margin. After that, the left padding I have to unlock it first of all. The bottom I am taking around 20 and left padding I am taking around 10 pixel. Yeah, that's look quite perfect. Now again right click in the copy, right click and click in the paste style. After that, the process is quite similar. Click in this, come back to the advanced option. So as you can see, the padding already applied here. Now click in this button option, come back to the advanced option, unlock it, and after that unlock the padding also. Padding left I am taking around 10. Yeah, that's nice. So now let me switch back to the desktop preview. So after that, I have to take another single row and 3 column. Click in this, click in the advanced option. The margin top I am taking around 50. After that, right click in the copy, come back here, right click and click in the paste. Now delete the first one, this one, right click and click in the delete. Now click in this, just make it 30. Click in this and this also make it 30. Next, what I have to do, I have to click in this one, come back to the style option, click in the gradient. The first color I am taking this one and the second color I am taking this one. Okay. Now I have to change the text also. So for that, click in this, my title will be this one and my secondary title, click in this and here I have to write that. After that, I have to change the bottom color also. Click in this, click in the style option and just make it black color. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Just let me change the image also. So for that, click in this and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert media. After that, let me click in this one. And here actually I need a inner session, just drag and drop the inner session here, but here actually I need only single column. Right click and click in the delete. So now in a single row there is only single column. Okay. After that, just right click in the copy, here right click and click in the paste option. Now let me delete the first one, click in the delete. So after that, click in this one, come back to the style option. Here actually I have to do some modification. I think that's looking good. And the secondary color, suppose I am taking this. Okay. Next, what I have to do, click in this one, come back to the advanced option. Here the left I am taking around 40. Similarly for this button also, click in this, come back to the advanced and left I am taking around 40. And here click in this, I have to change the text color also. So come back to the style option. Here the color, let me make it deep black color. Now for the second one also, for this one also, click in this. And here let me make it black color. Click in the typography, let me decrease the line height little bit. Now let me click in this image. First of all, let me change the image. Suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert media. After that, come back to the advanced option and here you can see the width I have to make it inline auto and the position make it absolute. After that, I have to drag the image little bit like that. I think it's looking quite good. Now just right click here and click in the duplicate option. Now I have to click in this, come back to the advanced option and here actually I have to apply some margin top around 50 pixel. Now actually I have to change the text and everything. For the first one, click in this, come back to the content. My title will be quadcopter. Come back to the secondary heading, remove it from here and my secondary heading will be this one. Now let me click in this second inner session, come back to the style option. The first color I am taking this one and the secondary color I am taking this one. This color is really looking awesome. Let me change the font color also. So for that, come back to the style option, click in this and make it white color. Now for the secondary heading also, make it white color. Now I have to change this image also. Click in this and from the media library I have to find this watch image. So that is the image. Click in the insert media. After that, I have to resize it a little bit like that. Yeah, now it's looking quite perfect. Now I have to click in this text area because I have to change the text also. So come back to the content. My title will be this one. Come back to the secondary heading and my secondary heading will be this one. Okay. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Actually for each and every button actually I have to enter that particular category link. And for entering the link, here you can see the link. Here I am giving the only hash sign because it's a dummy website, so I'm not going to keep any original link here. So now for this one, for the last column, do one thing, just right click, click in the copy, here right click and click in the paste. Now just right click here and make it delete. So again I think I have to make it 30 and 30 from all side. Come back to the layout, let me make it 30, even for this one also click in this and let me make it 30. Yeah, now it's looking quite good. So let me click in this, come back to the style option, and here actually in the background color I need dark black color. First of all, let me change the heading. So my title will be earphone and my secondary heading, the highlight text, that will be this one. Next I have to click in this button, come back to the style option, click in this gradient. The first color I am taking this one and the secondary color I am taking this one. Now let me change the image also, click in this, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert media. So as you can see, everything is looking quite perfect. Now I have to check the responsive preview. So for that, let me click in the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview, as you can see, it's coming like that. For the second one also click in this, and here actually come back to the layout and I have to make it 100. Next just reposition them little bit like that. Even for this watch also, yeah, I think that's looking quite great. Remaining everything I'm keeping as it is. Let me click in this and come back to the advanced option. I have to unlock the margin and padding. Next top padding around 20 and bottom padding also around 20. So as you can see, everything is looking quite perfect. Now let me check the mobile preview also. So as you can see, everything is coming perfectly, but this image is not appearing for this 2 column. Click in the tablet preview, just drag it here a little bit. For this one also just drag it here a little bit and come back to the mobile preview. So now I have to adjust them for this one also. Yeah, that's perfect. Next again come back to the tablet preview. Now I have to fix them. Even for this one also I have to fix them. Okay, it's done. Let me click in the update option. So now actually I have to design this session. So for that I can come back here, click in the plus option. I am taking single row and single column. After that I have to click in this edit session option, come back to the advanced option, unlock it. Margin top I am taking around 150 pixel. Now let me click in this plus option, and here actually I need the modern heading. So here is the modern heading, just drag and drop it here. After that my title will be this one, and in secondary heading my highlighted text will be this one. So after that let me come back to the style option. Let me click in this typography. I am taking it around 45 pixel, and for the mobile devices it will be around 25 pixel. Next come back to the secondary heading and here click in this. So for the mobile devices let me make it around 14 pixel. Line height let me make it 0, and now let me switch back to the desktop preview, and here the font size I am taking around 18 pixel. Even here also I think I have to decrease the line height little bit. Okay, now it's looking quite perfect. Come back to the content and I have to make it center aligned. Now let me click in this and let me search for the product. So here you can see this advanced product. Just drag and drop it downside like that. Filters are not required. Let me remove it. And here it is best selling product. So in this drop down I have to choose best selling products. Okay. Now let me come back to the layout option, and here in the desktop preview I am keeping single row 4 column. Now in the tablet preview I am making it 2, and in mobile preview I am keeping it 1. Okay, let me click in the update option. Even here also I does not need this one. Display product price not required. Even this also not required. Display short description, yes, required. And length I think 20 character will be enough. I am making it 8. After that display rating also not required. After that display quick view, yes, required. And let me make it custom, and here let me make it 0.97. okay. Preload image, yes, it's required. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Let me click in the update, and after that let me come back to the desktop preview. Okay, this ratio gone actually. Again I have to make it 0.97. I think I have to apply a 0. Okay, now everything is coming perfectly. Let me click in the update again. So after that I have to design this advertisement session. So for that, again come back here, click in the plus option. I am taking single row and single column. Come back to the style option. Let me click in this plus option, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert media, click in this, and let me type modern heading. So here you can see the modern heading. Just drag and drop it inside. My title will be this one, and my subtitle, this highlighting text will be this one. Now let me come back to the style option, click in this. I think 20 pixel size will be enough. Come back to the secondary heading, click in the typography. I think 45 pixel will be enough. The color I want it should be white color, so let me make it white. Even for this one also I have to make it white color. After that, let me click in this and let me search for the modern button. Just drag and drop it inside like that, and the button text will be shop pre-order. In the link, actually I have to give the link for that particular item, for the particular laptop I have to give the link, but it's a dummy website. Here I am not going to enter any original link, I am just giving hash sign. Okay, after that I need an advanced image. Click in this and let me search for the image. So here you can see the advanced image. Just drag and drop it downside, click in this, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert media, come back to the advanced option, and here you can see the position I have to make it absolute, and width I have to make it inline auto. Image size I have to make it full. Okay, it's coming like that. Let me decrease the size. I think that's looking quite perfect. I think I have to change the button style also a little bit. Click in this, come back to the style option, click in the gradient. The first color I am taking this one, and the second color this one I am taking this. Okay, location let me take 82, and angle let me make it 280. Padding, unlock it. I am taking padding around 21, 57, again 20 and 58, and border radius from all side I am taking 50. Scroll down, click in the text. I think I have to increase the size a little bit. Yeah, that's looking good. And front weight, I think 600 will be perfect. Okay, it's working perfectly. Now let me check the tablet preview. So as you can see in the tablet preview, it's coming like that. Let me do one thing, click in this and let me make it test session. Okay, and after that come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. Right padding let me take around 40, and left padding also let me take around 40. Okay, and here you can see the image is not displaying, so you can do one thing, click in this, drag it here like that. So now here you can see this image is coming perfectly. Let me reposition it here like that. First of all, directly come back to the mobile preview. So as you can see this mobile preview, the image is not coming, so you can do one thing, just drag it here something like that. And first of all, actually I have to set the image for the mobile preview. Before that, I think let me click in this, and I have to decrease the font size a little bit. Let me click in this and let me make it around 14, and for the secondary heading click in this, I think 25 will be perfect. And for this button also click in this, come back to the style option, unlock the padding. So here I am taking around 10, after that 25, after the 10 and 25. Okay, so I think in mobile devices it's looking good. After that just drag it here like that. Yeah, it's coming perfectly now. So now again let me come back to the desktop preview. Now decrease the size here. Now for the tablet preview also decrease the size and make it like that. After that let me click in the update option. Now let me switch back to the desktop preview. Again let me click in this, and here unlock the padding. Padding I am taking 40 in right and 40 in left. Okay, again let me click in the update option, come back here. So after that I need this newly arriving product. So again let me come back here, click in this plus option. I am taking single row and single column. Click in this, come back to the advanced option, and margin top and bottom I am taking around 150 pixel. After that let me click in this plus option. So now let me search for the modern heading. Just drag and drop the modern heading here like that. My title will be this one. Click in the secondary heading. So in the secondary heading, my highlighted text will be this one. Come back to the style option, click in the typography, let me make it 45. After that, make it bold. Now I have to decrease the line height. Okay, now it's looking quite good. Click in this, let me search for the carousel. So here you can see the product carousel. Just drag and drop it here like that. Let me make it 10 because I want to display total 10 product. Remaining here I am keeping everything as it is. So it's newly arriving product. So order by, that should be date. Okay. Come back to the layout option. Click in the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview, first of all I have to make it 2. And in the mobile preview, let me make it 1. Now I can switch back to the desktop preview. So here I does not need couple of things, like I don't want to display the category, I don't want to display the share option. Quick view I want, enable that. Product short description, yes, and the length will be 20. After that, image aspect ratio, make it custom and make it 1.17. Preload image, yes, I want that. Now come back to the carousel. So here if you want to display the bullet, you can enable the bullet. If you want to display the arrow, then you can select arrow, and if you don't want to display anything, you can select none. Loop navigation, yes, enable that. Autoplay carousel, yes, enable that. Same height, yes, that also required. Okay, everything is looking quite perfect. Let me click in the update option. So after that, actually I have to design this advertising session. So for that I can come back here. Let me take single row and 2 column. So now let me click in this, come back to the style option, click in this, and from the media library I am taking this image as background image. Click in the insert media. Now let me search for the modern heading. So here is the modern heading. Just drag and drop it here like that. My main title will be this and my highlighted text will be this one. Okay, now come back to the style option, click in this, make it 16. After that I have to make it white color. Come back to the secondary heading, click in this, let me take around 45 pixel, and after that I have to make it white color. I think 45 is a little bit bigger, let me take around 40. Okay, and after that I think I have to decrease the line height also a little bit. Okay, that's looking quite good. And after that come back to the advanced option, and here I have to unlock the padding. Padding top I am taking around 20. After that padding right I am taking around 180. Next I need a button also. Let me click in this and let me search for the button. Drag and drop the modern button downside, and here the button text that will be shop now, and here actually I have to enter the link for the camera category or photography category, whatever. So now let me come back to the style option, and here I have to click in this gradient option. The first color I am taking this one, and the secondary color, I mean this one, I am taking this. Okay, next the angle I am taking 100. Padding I have to unlock, that will be 20, 47, 20, 47, and border radius from all side I am taking 50. Scroll down, click in the text, click in this, and I think 18 pixel will be perfect. I think 18 is bigger, I think make it 16, and front width let me make it around 700. After that I have to search for the advanced image. Let me search for the image. So here you can see the advanced image. Just drag and drop it downside like that. Click in this, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this camera image, click in the insert media. Let me click in the update, and after that come back to the advanced option for this image, and width make it inline auto. Next here you can see the position, let me make it absolute. After that just drag and drop it here like that. Okay, it's really looking awesome. Now let me click in this, and here actually come back to the border. The border radius from all sides let me take around 50. Now let me check the tablet preview. So you can see in the tablet preview it's coming like that. Do one thing, click in this and come back to the layout option, and I have to make it 100. Okay, it's looking really awesome. Now let me come back to the mobile preview. So as you can see in the mobile preview, it's coming like that. So you can do one thing, click in this, come back to the style option, let me make it around 14 pixel, and here in the advanced option actually I have to unlock it, and top padding I'm taking around 20. And after that, what I have to do, I have to decrease the front size of the highlighted text also. So let me click in this again and click in this. After that, let me make it around 25. For this button also, click in this and unlock the padding. Padding I'm taking 10. After that 20, 10 and 20. And let me decrease the text size also. I think 12 will be perfect. The camera image is not coming. We can do one thing, click in this, little bit drag it here like that. Now come back to the mobile preview. Okay, now it's looking awesome. Again come back here and fix it. Okay, now let me come back to the desktop preview. Now what I have to do, I have to click in this edit option and come back to the style option, click in the border radius from all side I am taking 50. I think 50 is more. Let me make it around 30. So after that, what I have to do, similarly let me click in this one, and here click in this, click in this, click in this, and as a background image from the media library I am taking this image. Click in the insert media. Again let me come back to the border from all side, let me take around 30. After that, right click here, click in the copy, right click here and click in the paste. I think I need some gap in between, so let me click in this, come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin right I am taking around 10, and for this second one click in this, and here margin left I am taking around 10. Okay, so after that I need this button also, copy, right click and click in the paste, and this button color I have to change. So let me click in the style option, and from here click in this and make it yellow color. If you want to make it gradient, you can always do it. For that you have to click in this, and the secondary color, suppose I am taking this. Okay, now here also I need the image, so again let me click in this and let me search for the advanced image. So here you can see the advanced image, just drag and drop it downside like that, click in this, and from the media library I need this PlayStation image. I am talking about this image. Click in the insert media. Even for this one also I have to make it full, and come back to the advanced option, and in the advanced option width that will be inline auto, and after that position I have to make it absolute. Next what I have to do, just close this navigation for a while. After that I have to adjust it like that. Now I have to check the tablet preview. I have to click in this, I have to unlock the margin and padding, and after that top I am taking around 20. Next come back to the layout option and I have to make it 100. Even for this one also I have to unlock the margin. Okay, it's really looking awesome. Now let me check the mobile preview. So the mobile preview, as you can see, this image is not coming. So for that you know how to fix it. You have to increase it, come back here, now it's coming. So just place it like that. After that come back to the tablet preview and make the adjustment. After that let me click in the update option. After that let me come back to the desktop preview. So next I have to design this blog post session. So for that again come back here, first of all update it, and actually now I have to come back to the dashboard, because for designing the blog post session first of all I have to create the blog post. So once you come back to the dashboard you have to hover on the post, and after that I have to click in the all post. So now by default you can see there is already single blog post is there. Now let me do one thing, let me delete it. So for that actually I have to click in this trash. So after deleting actually I have to click in this add new option for adding a new blog post. So now for creating the new blog post, here actually I have to mention the title. After that here actually I have to mention the description. Next I have to click in the post option. Now from here if you want to add any category you can click here. After that here you can see the add category option, click that. Suppose I am giving the category name as travel, and after that let me click in the add new category. Once you add the category successfully I have to add the feature image. Now for adding the feature image I have to click in this and click in this set feature image. Come back to the media library, Suppose I am taking this image, click in the set feature image, and after that you have to click in the publish option. So in this way you can create a blog post. Now for adding a new blog post, again I have to click in this W option. After that again I have to click in this add new option. Next again here I have to enter the title, and after that here I have to mention the description. Again I have to click in the post. From the category I have to choose the category, and after that I have to set the feature image. Suppose from the media library I am taking this image, click in the set feature image, and after that let me click in the publish option. So in similar manner let me add some more blog post, and after that I will come back. So as you can see here I already create total 6 blog posts. Now I can come back here. So now actually I need the title. So come back here again. I have to click in this plus option. Let me take single row and single column. After that I have to click in this edit option. Come back to the advanced option. Margin top and bottom I am taking around 150 pixel. And after that I have to click in this plus option, and here I have to search for the heading. So here you can see the modern heading. Just drag and drop it here like that, and my heading will be latest post. I have to make it center aligned. Come back to the style option, and here click in this typography option, and let me take the font size around 45 pixel. Okay, it's done. So next again I have to click in this. So let me search for the post. So here you can see the grid and carousel post. Just drag and drop it downside like that. Number of the post to show, let me make it 4. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Directly come back to the layout option. So here let me make it 4, and for the tablet devices it will be 2, and for the mobile it will be 1. Now click in this heading option and click in the typography, and in the mobile devices I think 25 will be perfect. Now again let me switch back to the desktop preview. So again let me click in this blog post and click in this display option. So from here display category, disable it, not required, disable all of them. So scroll down, again let me click on the plus option. Now I am taking single row and 4 column. I think here actually I have to decrease the bottom margin. Unlock it. I think 80 will be perfect. Now let me click in this plus option, and let me search for the icon box. So here you can see the icon box. Just drag and drop it here like that, and first of all I need the track icon. So that is the icon. Click in the insert option, and after that my title will be free delivery. Let me remove this one, and here I have to write free shipping on all order. Position that will be left. Next I have to come back to the style option. Spacing I think 30 will be perfect. Size 57 will be perfect. Let me click in the content. So here the position I have to make it middle. Spacing let me make it 0. Title typography I think 20 will be enough. Yeah, that's looking good. Now just right click, click in the copy, right click here, click in the paste. Even for another 2 also I have to do the same thing. Now let me click in the edit option for the second icon box, and here actually I need the headphone icon. I mean I am talking about this icon. Click in the insert option, and here my title will be this one, and the description will be this one. Now let me come back to the third one. So click in this, and here let me search for the exchange. Click in this one, click in the insert option, and my title will be money return, and my content will be this one. Now click in the fourth one, click in this. Let me search for the gift. Suppose I am taking this icon. Click in the insert option, and here the title will be member discount, and my content will be this one. So next let me click in the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview I have to click in this one. I have to make it 50. Even this one also click and make it 50. Remaining 2 also I have to do the same thing. Click and make it 50. And for the last one also the column width I have to make it 50. Now let me switch back to the mobile preview. So the mobile preview, as you can see, it's looking quite okay. So I'm keeping everything as it is. So the designing of the home page is complete. Now actually I have to design the about us page. So let me click in the update option, and after that I have to click in this one. Next I have to click in the exit option, and after that this pop-up will appear. Click in the apply, and here let me cancel it again. Again I have to update it, and once it updated again I have to click in the exit option. Now for adding a new page, again I have to click in this W option. Actually in the home page I forgot one thing. Let me click in this home, and here in this content layout I have to make it this one, okay, and let me click in the update. So again let me click in this W option. So for adding a new page you have to click in this add new option. The page title I am giving as about us, click in this one, click in the publish. Okay, I forgot one thing, let me cancel it. And here you can see the template, click in this and I have to choose page builder. Now let me click in the publish option, and once it published I have to click in the edit with Elementor option. My about us page should be look like that. It's very simple. In a single row I need total 2 column. So let me come back here, click in the plus option. I am taking single row and 2 column, and after that let me click in this one and let me search for the heading. So here you can see the modern heading, just drag and drop it here like that. My title will be this one, my highlighted heading title will be this one. Come back to the description because here I need the description also, and my description will be this one. Now I have to come back to the style option, click in the typography. I think 20 pixel will be enough, and here actually I need the blue color, so let me choose the blue color here, and the font weight let me make it around 600. Now for the secondary heading, click in this font size I am taking around 40 pixel, and the weight let me make it extra bold. Remaining I am keeping everything as it is. Click in this one, and here actually I need an image, just drag and drop the image here like that, and click in this one. From the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert media, and after that actually I have to do one thing, click in this edit session option, and here you can see the vertical align. I have to make it middle. Once done you have to click in this responsive option, click in this. Okay, everything is looking quite good. If you want you can do one thing, click in this and I have to make it 100, and for this one also click and make it 100. Okay, it's done. Click in the update option, and once it updated, now actually I have to design the contact us page. So for that I have to click in this, click in the exit option. So now actually I have to create the contact us page. So for that again I have to click in this W option. Let me check how the contact us page should look like. So that is the contact us page. The design is very simple. Let me come back here. For creating the new page you have to click in the add new option. Page title I am giving as contact us. After that I have to choose this one, and here the template I am choosing page builder. After that I have to click in the publish option. I think the content layout theme default will be enough. Click in the publish option, and after publishing I have to click in the edit with Elementor option. Now let me click in the plus option, and I am taking single row and 2 column. After that I have to click in this plus option and let me search for the heading. So here you can see the modern heading, just drag and drop it here like that. My heading title will be contact us with. After that the highlighted text will be this one. Come back to the description, and that will be the description. Next I have to come back to the style option. Let me click in this, make it 20, font weight 700 will be enough, and I have to change the color in blue color, so here I am doing that. Next I have to click in the secondary heading, click in this one, typography size 40 will be enough, and after that make it extra bold. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Again I have to click in the plus option, and again I am taking single row and 2 column. After that here let me search for the contact form. So here you can see the simple contact form, I mean this one. Just drag and drop it here like that, and from here I need the label, the contact number field if you required, yes you have to enable that, and this name and email field I need in a single line only. Subject field not required. I think contact number field also not required. Remove it, just make it simple. Okay, now you can observe in the demo website the submit button color is little bit changed. Okay, so for that what I have to do, I have to click in the style option, click in the submit button, and from here the background type I have to make it gradient. The first color that will be this blue color, and the second color that will be little bit white color. I think that's enough, else make it little bit lighter blue color. Now here you can see I need a Google map also. So for that actually you have to first of all open the Google map, and after that you have to choose your location. I am choosing any random location. After that you have to click in the share option, and from there you have to click in the embed map option, and after that from there you have to click in the copy HTML. Now you have to come back here again, click in this plus option, and drag and drop the text editor here like that, and after that I have to come back to the text mode, select everything, remove everything, and after that you have to paste the code here. So as you can see, Google Map already come here. Now from here, if you want to adjust the height, always you can do it from here. Suppose I want the height should be 350 pixel, so let me make it 350. So it's coming like that. And another thing, click in this, and I have to make the vertical align middle. Okay, so it's looking like that. Now let me click in the responsive preview, click in this, and here let me make it 100, and this one also let me make it 100. Even for this one also, click this and just make it 100. Okay, it's looking cool. Now let me come back to the mobile preview. In the mobile preview, what I have to do, I have to click in this edit option here, and for the secondary heading, actually I have to decrease the size. I think 20 will be perfect, not 20, 25 will be perfect. And here I have to decrease the line height little bit, and for the heading also, click in this and I have to decrease the line height. Okay, now it's looking quite perfect. So after that, again come back to the desktop preview. So after that, here you can see I need this total 3 icon boxes. So again let me come back here, scroll down, click in this plus option, and I'm taking single row and 3 column. Now let me click in this one, and here actually I need some top margin. Unlock the margin. Top margin taking around 50, and bottom margin suppose 20 will be perfect. Next, click in this, and here actually I have to search for the icon box. So that is the icon box. Just drag and drop it here like that. So first of all, I have to search for the map icon. Let me search for the location. I am taking this icon, click in the insert, and after that my title will be this one, and after that my content will be this one. Okay, and come back to the advanced option. From all side padding, let me take around 40. Come back to the style option. Yeah, I think the space, let me decrease it a little bit. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Just icon color, let me make it blue color. Okay, yeah, that's looking nice. Now let me click in this one, and here come back to the style option, click in the border, enable the box shadow. Now just right click, click in the duplicate, again right click and click in the duplicate. Now right click here, click in the delete. Even here also right click and click in the delete. Now click in the middle one, come back to the advanced option. Here I have to unlock the margin. Margin right I am taking 20, and margin left also I am taking 20. Okay, now click in the second one, click in this, and here let me search for the envelope icon. So here you can see the envelope icon, click on that, and here my title will be this one, and here actually you have to mention all your email ID one by one. Just give a break row tag. Now click in the last one. So here actually let me search for the phone. I need this icon, click in the insert, and here my title will be contact number, and here let me give my contact number, that is +91 7842460057. After that let me give a break row tag, and after that let me enter my second number, that is +91. After that 7396403672. That is my original number. Actually, if you have any WordPress related project, always you can contact with me with this number. So once done, let me click in the responsive mode. After that let me come back to the tablet preview. So as you can see, it's coming like that. It's really not looking good. Click this, come back to the layout, make it 100. Even for this one also, click this, unlock it first of all, come back to the layout, make it 100. And here actually come back to the advanced option again, top 20, bottom margin 20. Now click in the, I think I make it 220. Okay, click this and just make it 100. Now let me check the mobile preview. So the mobile preview, as you can see, it's coming like that. I think that's looking nice. No need to change anything. Let me click in the update option. So the designing of the contact us page is also complete. Now actually I have to design the header. So now let me click in the exit option. Before designing the header, actually first of all I have to create the menu. Let me check the menu content. So in my menu content, as you can see, home page, about us page, shop page, blog page and contact us page required. All the page already there, but blog page still not there. So we can create the blog page. Now for creating the blog page, again I have to click in this W option. Let me click in the add new option. Page title I am giving as blog, and after that I have to click in this publish option, and once it published, again I have to click in this W option. Now let me set the default home page and blog page. After that I will create the menu. For setting the default home page and blog page, you have to scroll down, and here you can see the settings option. After that, hover on the setting and click in the reading. Now you have to choose this option, I mean a static page. Okay, now as a home page I am choosing home, and as a post page I am choosing blog, and after that I have to click in the save changes. Now I have to hover on the appearance and click in the menu for creating the menu. First of all I have to give the menu name. I am giving the menu name as main menu, and from here I am choosing this one, header primary navigation, and after that I have to click in the create menu option. So you can see my menu already created. Now let me click in this view all. So from there I need home, blog, about us, after that I need the contact us page, even I need the shop page also. After that let me click in the add to menu option. So you can see all the menu item already added. Now I have to arrange them, like about us page should be after the home page, after that shop page will be there, after that blog page and contact us page. Now let me click in the save menu option. So now let me click in the customize option. Let me click in the leave. Now for creating the header you have to click in this header option. After that I have to click in the header template. So as you can see by default so many pre-built header template already available. If you want to use any of them, just you have to click on that. Suppose I want to use the first one, so I have to click in the first one. Like that you can easily import the header. But in this tutorial let me teach you how to create custom header. So let me click in this header, and after that let me click in the edit header. After that let me click in the edit with header builder. Okay, so that is the header builder interface. So first of all I have to click in this plus option, and I need single row and 2 column. So I'm clicking on that. So that is the by default header builder interface. So as you can see here by default there already something is present. If you want you can delete that also. So now let me click in the plus option. I'm taking single row and 2 column. After that the background color I need deep black color. So come back to the style option, and here let me click in the classic, and after that I have to choose the deep black color. Next let me click in the plus option, and here actually I need the text editor. So here you can see the text editor. Just drag and drop it here like that. Suppose here I'm writing this, and after that directly come back to the style option. The color I need pure white color. Now I have to click in the typography. Size I am taking 16 pixel, and the font weight I am making it 600. Next I have to decrease the line height also. Line height suppose I am taking around 7 or even 5 is also okay. Another thing I forgot actually, you have to select this edit session option. Come back to the layout. Here you can see the vertical align. I have to make it middle. Okay, yeah, now it's looking good. Next what I have to do here, actually as you can see in my demo website I need this phone number and this email option. So here click in this plus option, and let me search for the icon box. So here you can see the icon box. Just drag and drop it here like that, and here actually first of all I need the phone icon. So let me search for the phone, this icon. Click in the insert. After that here in the title I have to give the phone number. I don't require any description, I am removing it, and here make it left aligned. Now directly I have to come back to the style option. So first of all the icon color I need it should be white color. After that icon size I think 17 will be perfect. Spacing 15 I'm keeping as it is. Now come back to the content. Let me click in the typography and make it around 16 pixel, and here you can see the position I have to make it middle, and I have to make it white color, and the line height I am making it 0. Okay, so it's coming like that. Next what I have to do, I have to come back to the advanced option, and here you can see the width I have to make it inline auto. Now I have to click in this second column. If you are unable to select that, just enable the navigator, and from there you have to select the second column, and here you can see the horizontal align. I have to make it end. Okay, next what I have to do, just right click here and click in the duplicate. Now you have to select the second one, and here actually you have to search for the envelope. So here you can see the envelope. Click on the insert, and here in the title I have to mention my email ID. I think I need some padding in the left hand side, so let me unlock the padding, and left padding around 10 pixel will be perfect. If you want you can give more padding, suppose 15 pixel. And this top bar actually I want to display only in the desktop devices. I don't want this top bar in mobile or tablet devices. So for that I have to come back to the advanced option. Here you can see the responsive option. So here you can see the hide on tablet and hide on mobile, enable them. Okay, so next again I have to click in the plus option. I am taking single row and 2 column. Increase the first column width little bit. I think that's perfect. Now let me click in this plus option, and here actually I need the logo. Here you can see the logo option. Just drag and drop it here like that. So from here by clicking in this customizer option, actually I have to select the logo. Click on that. The customizer panel will open. So here it asking to upload the logo. Let me click in the select logo option, and from the media library I am selecting my logo, that is the logo. Click in the select option, click in the script topping, and if you want to upload the second logo, click on that. From the media library I am choosing this one. Click in the add image. From there no need to mention the logo width, just remove it. And here if you scroll down, here you can see it asking the fab icon. Click on that, and from the media library I am taking this image as a fab icon. Click in the select option, click in the script cropping, and after that you have to click in the publish option. Now if you come back here, you can see the logo till not loading. Okay, so for that what you have to do, you have to click in the update option, and once it updated, actually you have to refresh the page. So now you can see this logo already appear here. Now click on that, come back to the advanced option, and here you can see the width I have to make it inline auto. Okay, now come back to the style option. The width I think 60 will be perfect, 60 or even 65 like that. Okay, so after that actually I need the menu bar. So here you can see the navigation menu, just drag and drop it downside. Even for this one also, from here you have to choose the main menu, and after that disable this one also. Come back to the advanced option, and here the width I have to make it inline auto. Next select the second session, and here also the vertical align I have to make it middle. So as you can see it's coming like that. Let me change the typography little bit. I need something bold. Okay, click in the typography, and from here suppose I am taking 600. Okay, and the color I want deep black color. So after that actually I need these two icons. Okay, there are total 3 icon. I need this 3 icon. So you can come back here. Let me click in the plus option. Before that click in this, and horizontal line I have to make it end. Now let me click in the plus option, and here actually I have to search for the icon box. So here you can see the icon box, just drag and drop it here like that. Let me search for the profile icon. Suppose I am taking this icon, click in the insert, and the title that will be account. I don't want any description, just remove it. And after that icon position I have to make it left. Next I have to come back to the style option. So in the style spacing I think 16 will be enough, and the size I think 24 will be enough. Next I have to come back to the content. So in the content let me click in the typography. Size I think 18 will be perfect. Position I think middle will be enough, or yeah, keep it middle only. And here I have to decrease the line height. Okay, that's looking quite cool. So after that come back to the advanced option. Here the width I have to make it inline auto. And another thing actually, come back to the content area. In the links actually here you have to give the my account page link. You can easily get the link. Just come back to the dashboard and open the pages. So here you can see the my account page. Just click on that. So here you can see the URL. Just copy the URL. Come back here, and here actually you have to mention the link. Okay. Now just click in this 9 dot, and here let me search for the modern search. So here you can see the modern search. Just drag and drop it downside. Text will be search. Come back to the style option. Size I am making it 22, and the color I think black will be perfect. Click in the text. Typography 20 will be perfect I think. Come back to the advanced. After that width I have to make it inline auto, and after that I need the cart icon also. Click in this. So here you can see the shopping cart. Just drag and drop it downside of the search. Click on that. Let me search for the cart. Suppose I am taking this icon. Click in the insert. Come back to the advanced option. Width I have to make it inline auto. Now let me switch back to the responsive preview. First of all let me check the tablet preview. So in the general, come back to the mobile menu. Breakdown I want in tablet devices, and the style I am choosing this one. I think it's looking perfect. Now let me check the mobile preview. So in the mobile preview I don't want it should look like that. First of all let me click in this, and I have to change the position, and after that I have to select the entire session. Come back to the advanced option, and after that come back to the responsive preview, and here you can see the reverse column mobile, enable that. Okay, I think that's looking quite good. If you want always you can disable that also, it's up to you. If you want to disable, then what you have to do, you have to click in this and come back to the advanced option, and from here you have to come back to the responsive option, and from here you have to enable this one, this hide on mobile, like that. If you want you can disable that also, but I'm keeping as it is. Okay, after that I have to click in the update option. So now you can see my menu is coming perfectly. I don't want the sticky menu. So for disabling the sticky menu, what you have to do, again you have to come back to the customize panel, come back here, click in the header template setting, and here we can see by default the sticky menu is enabled. Okay, just disable it. Okay, now you have to click in the publish option, and once it published, again let me come back to my website. Now let me refresh the page once. So now here you can see the menu is now normal, it's not sticky. Okay, so now actually I have to design the footer. So let me check how my footer is looking now. So my footer should be look like that. Actually here I use a template, it's already a pre-built template. So but before creating this template, let me create this useful link menu. Okay, I mean I'm talking about this one actually. Let me create this first of all, and here you can see there is a newsletter sign up form also available. So for that actually I have to enable the MailChimp account. So for doing that, first of all let me come back to the dashboard. In the dashboard actually I have to hover on the appearance, and again I have to click in the menus. Now for creating the new menu, I have to click in this option, create a new menu, click in the lib. My menu name I am giving as cat menu, means category menu. Okay, after that I have to click in the create menu option, but by default you can see the product category is not displaying here. So for that I have to click in the screen option, and from there actually you have to enable this product category. Now here you can see the product category are displaying here. Suppose from here I am choosing these categories, and after that I have to click in the add to menu. Once they already added in the menu, you have to click in the save menu option. Once done, again you have to come back to the customize window. So from here you have to click in the footer. After that from here you have to click in the footer template. So as you can see by default so many template is already available. From here suppose I am taking this one. Always you can create your own footer by using this footer builder, but here I am choosing this template as my default footer. And another thing I forgot actually, I have to enable this MailChimp account. Okay, so for that you have to click on that. Let me click in the lib, and you have to open a new tab, and you have to open mailchimp.com. I already have an account, so let me click in the login option. If you don't have, you have to create one. After entering user ID and password, you have to click in the login option. Okay, it's asking the verification code. Let me send the verification code in mail. Click in the send email. Okay, I already got the code. Enter the code here, and after that I have to click in the submit verification. So from there what you have to do, you have to click in this, and from there you have to click in this account and billing. In account and billing you have to click in this extra, and from there you have to click in the API key, and here you can see the API key, just copy it. Next you have to come back here, you have to paste that code here, click in the save changes. So now you can see the data is not connected, but after refreshing the page you can see it's showing connected. So now I have to click in this form option. Let me click in this add new form. So my default form is looking like that. So I don't want the label, so let me remove the label from here. Even I don't need this paragraph tag also, just delete them. That's enough. Okay, after that I have to click in the save changes. Now again I have to come back to the customize option, and now you have to click in this edit footer with the footer builder. Actually I forgot to give the name for the MailChimp form. Here actually you have to give the name. Suppose I am giving the form name as MailChimp form, and after the scroll down, and again I have to click in the save changes. Now here first of all I have to change the logo. I want the secondary logo, so I'm choosing secondary. After that if you want you can change the address from here, and after that if you want you can change the email ID from here. Suppose I'm changing my email ID, and my email ID is this one. And if you want to change the phone number from here you can always do it. Suppose I'm entering my phone number here. Next here actually you have to choose the menu. I'm choosing this category menu. If you want to change anything here, always you can do it from here. From this table you can easily do it. And in this sign up form actually I'm choosing this MailChimp form, and for changing this copyright line it's quite easy. Just click here. Suppose here I'm writing 2022 at the rate of web SEO tips designed by Devjyoti Das. Okay, like that something I'm writing here, and here you can see some social media icon. Click on that, and from here actually you can easily enter the link for the social medias. Okay, but it's a dummy website, so here I'm keeping everything empty. Okay, and after that you have to click in the update option, and once it published, let me come back to the website and refresh the page to check the footer is coming or not. Now let me scroll down. So as you can see my footer is coming perfectly. Now again let me come back to the customize option, and from here I have to click in the pages, come back to the page layout, disable this option. After that again come back here. I don't want to display the page title, so I'm disabling it from here. Okay, now everything is looking quite perfect. Now in the page typography, if you want to change anything in typography like font color, font size, font family, etc., always you can do it from here. And in the general option actually here you can see the general typography. So from here actually you can easily choose the size of the heading 1 to heading 6. Even you can change the font family also. Not only that, but also you can change the body font family, font color, etc. But it's a dummy website, again and again telling, so everything I'm keeping as it is. So now let me check my shop page. So as you can see, the sidebar is coming in the right hand side, but I want, like demo, the sidebar should be come in the left hand side, and in the sidebar I want to display the search option, product category option, after that filter by attributes options. Okay, so for that what I have to do, again I have to come back to the dashboard, and from there you have to hover on the appearance, and after that I have to click in the widgets option. Let me close this, and here you can see the shop page sidebar area. Click on that. So here first of all I have to click in this plus option, and let me search for the product search. So here you can see the product search, click on that. So from here you can see there are total 3 different styles present. You can choose according to your requirement. So after that I need the category menu, so click in this and let me search for the navigation menu. So here you can see the navigation menu, click on that, and here the title I'm giving as product category, and from here I'm choosing category menu. Okay, next again I have to click in the plus option. Suppose I want filter by price, so here you can see this price filter, click on that. After that again let me click in the plus option. Now let me search for the attribute. So here you can see the filter by attribute option is there, click on that. So from here suppose I'm choosing size filter, click in the done option. Again let me click in the plus option. Again let me search for the filter by attribute option, and now I'm choosing brand. After that again let me click in the done. Again let me click in the plus option. Again let me search for the filter by attribute. So again let me choose this one, and now I'm choosing color. Again let me click in the done. So once done you have to click in the update option. It will take some time for saving everything. Once done you have to again come back to this customize window. From there you have to click in the woocommerce, and from there you have to click in the shop page option, and here you can see the sidebar position. I want left sidebar, so I'm choosing this one. Even here also let me open the shop page so you can understand better. So as you can see my sidebar is coming at the left hand side, but in the sidebar here you can see some unwanted content, because I want from here actually this search, this product by category, I need all of them. Okay, but I don't need this recent post and search option. Okay, so for that what I have to do, you're gonna have to come back here, and here if you come back to the top, here you can see there is a default sidebar. So what you have to do, you have to remove everything from here. Just select everything, and after that you have to click in this remove option. For this one also click in the remove option. Even here also just remove them one by one. Okay, hope you understand the concept. So once you remove them from here, after that again I have to click in the update option. Now let me click in the publish option, and after that let me refresh the page once. So now you can see my sidebar is coming perfectly, and from there if you want you can always enable this view card link, and from here you can easily choose the pagination style. And another important customization is left out. Let me click in the publish option, come back here, and here you can see the woocommerce option. From here actually you have to click in this product image, just select this one, this uncropped. Okay, and click in the publish option. So for this option actually you can see the full size image as you can see here, and if you want to change this thumbnail size, then again you have to come back to the woocommerce, and if you scroll down here you can see this thumbnail aspect ratio. You can choose according to your requirement. Okay, suppose I'm choosing the square, so as you can see it's coming like that. I think it's looking beautiful. So once done you have to click in the publish option. Now let me open this single product page. Even here also let me open a single product. So here actually I don't want to display any sidebar, so I am choosing this full width option, and from here you can see there are several kind of template is available. You can choose according to your requirement. Suppose I am choosing this one, you can see the total interface will get changed. So as you can see now it's coming like that. It's totally up to you, but I am keeping the default only. Now here so many extra option is available. You can choose or you can adjust them according to your requirement. Suppose for example I don't want to display this SKU, so from here I can easily disable it. Like that there are so many options available. You can choose according to your requirement. I am ending this video tutorial here. If you have any kind of doubt, always you can ask me in the comment section. And if you have any WordPress related project, please contact with me with this number or with this email ID. Hope you really like this video, and if you really like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification from my YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.